Hello and welcome to this session on adding basic content in WordPress. In this session, we will tell you about how to add simple content such as pages and blogs in your WordPress site. WordPress by default provides two simple content types. They are the blog and a page. A blog is a short form for web log. Web log essentially is like your diary on the web. It could be a commentary, it could be a collection of pictures or any other review and so on. What distinguishes a blog from a page is that a blog is periodic or occasionally unperiodic, but it is a time bound release. So every month you could have a blog, every day you could have a blog and so on. Usually they are characterized by the date of release and keywords, whereas a page is a generic web page that you all are familiar with. It could be a static page, there is nothing time bound to it, and it could appear in the front page or in the menu items and so on. Pages can have other objects in it such as tables, lists, images, attachments and so on. We will now see how to create a simple blog and a simple page. I have already logged into my site and this is the customized site that we had from the previous session. To create a blog, I go to the top left corner and a menu pops up and has all these actions. Right here I have add a blog post to add a new blog and add pages to add new pages. Let us add a blog. A blog has a title and a body. First you need to choose a title. It could be a draft title, it need not be the final title, and then you have to type in your thoughts in the body. You can attach media as well. So let us choose a blog title. And so on. So you have title and you start typing your thoughts. You can preview how this looks. So this is how it looks. On your page you will have the main page, the title of this blog, content, and this is my user ID, when it was published, and it gives an option for users to comment on it, and the other blogs which you have posted earlier are all down below. So if you think this is okay, you can go and publish it. But say if you are not happy with it or you think you have to do more on this, you could just go back because a draft has already been saved. You do not have to do anything. You just go back and you can come back to it later. Similarly, you could add another post. Let us say I want to publish this and I am done. So this is how you create a blog. Choose a title, type in your thoughts, preview if required, and then publish. You can have additional features to a blog like categorizing blog. You can add hierarchical keywords or free text. To do that, you come here, categories, and currently since you do not have any category, you should add a new category. Let us say biomedical is a broad category, and I have a new category under that. It is drug delivery, and the parent of this is biomedical, so I say add. Now this particular blog has by default been categorized under all three, so I remove this and I say it is categorized under drug delivery, which also means it is categorized under biomedical. So any person who is searching for the blogs can look for blogs under a particular category. Once you are satisfied with this, you update. So the categories have been updated. You can also use tags. Tags are free text categories which can be used for while searching for keywords, people can land up at this page. So let us add as one tag, and as another tag. So these are free tags, need not be categorized. So again update it and it is published. So if I go back to my site now, the new blog has come here, the tags are appearing here, and the old blog is here. Now any person visiting this site can also leave a comment. So that is a simple way to create blogs. Pages are typically some standard web pages which are usually static. It could be an about page, could be a search topic, it could be teaching or general information. Pages are organized in a hierarchical way. Unlike blogs in which the categories are organized in a hierarchical way, here the pages themselves can be a parent-child relation. So let us go back to our site, my site, pages, add pages. So this is the first page that you are going to create. So let us create a page to tell about the various research areas that you are working. I come back to this text and I use a bulleted list. Let me use liposomal drug delivery. I can also use transport in nanofluids. So this is a simple page which just has the title and a simple body. I could add other things to this page from here, like media and so on, but we will not do that now. You could use this featured image here for each of this page. There are other ways to choose the relations of this page to the other page. For example, you can say that research area is a child of one of these, or you can leave it at a top level page. I want to leave it at a top level page. There are more options here. Slug. Slug is the text which comes in your URL. So, if it is wp-wordpress.com/research-areas, it will go to this. So, this is your entire URL and this portion is called as a slug. So, you could change this. If it is research area, you notice that the slug has changed. By default, WordPress picks up slug text from your title and it does an intelligent way to cut down unnecessary text. You can use the default for most cases. You can decide whether you want to allow others to comment on pages. Usually you allow comments only for blog posts and you leave the pages without any comment. So, do not enable comments for pages unless you really require. So, let us say publish. So, this page has been published, but it is not yet visible unless you provide a menu link to it. We will see that in a later session. Thank you for listening.